Hey Rusty, this is Russell with the 460 EFI guys. I've put a bunch of miles on it. It's running really nice, strong and clean. Thought you might like to hear how the exhaust sounds in case you want to quiet it down a little bit. We can do a couple different things to it. But anyways, let me get it fired up so you can hear it. Sounds really nice and clean, running really strong. That's going through an X pipe and then those Thrush mufflers. We can make it a little bit quieter if you want. We could probably add in that baffled X pipe after them or right before them, and that'd tone it down a little bit. But it sounds really nice, so I want to let you hear how it sounded.